Hi everyone, I'm Pedro and I'm here with another Koha video for you guys. This time we're going to be talking about a new feature called hold groups, sometimes also referred to as hyperholds. I really hope that you enjoy it. The concept of a hold group is simple. It serves to allow staff members to group multiple holds together so that when a single hold of a set group is filled, all other holds of the group are automatically cancelled. For example, if you have a patron who has placed multiple holds on similar items for a research project, you can group all of those holds together so that one of them is filled, all the other holds in the group are cancelled. This can be a significant time saver and makes the holds process more efficient. Now, for the development itself, it is split across multiple bugs in Bugzilla, and they make up this beautiful tree you see on the screen right now. We're not going to be going in depth about each of these bugs individually, but rather the overall functionality as a whole. All the pages I'm displaying here on the video are going to be on the video description if you wish to look at or test some of the bugs yourself. To start things off, we have a new system preference. It's called display add hold groups. And what this system preference does is enable or disable the whole functionality, right? So let's enable that. And once we do that, if you then place multiple holds, you have this new checkbox option. Let's see what happens. So let's say I'll place these 4 holds here and onto my Koha user. I now have this new checkbox here that says treat as hold group and place a hold on the next available item title from this group. So this will effectively group my holds together and we will see how that displays. So I'm doing that, and now we have the 3 holds and they have these details which says they're part of a hold group. And if you see that and if you click that, you will see the hold group details with all of the 3 holds together. Now if we go to our user, to our holds table in the user, you'll see we have a new column here called hold group, which will tell us, these 3 holds are all part of the same group, but we can also do some things with these. So we can click here on the group and click on group holds if we want to effectively disband the group, or we can just group them together again. Remember how this works is once any of these holds is filled, the others are effectively cancelled. So let's see that in action. I'm going to check in an item for this record here, and I'm going to pick up the barcode here, and I'm going to do a check-in. So as expected, it found a hold, so let's confirm that hold. And if we now refresh our patron, because that record is about a hold that's part of a group, and because it was the first hold to be satisfied, it is now the hold group's target, which means the group has trapped this hold to satisfy itself, basically. So if any check-in for any of the other records happen, they are skipped because these holds here are part of a group that already has a target. And this concept is important to understand because if the target happens to be cancelled if for any reason this is cancelled, then one of the remaining holds can become the next hold group target. But this hold has only trapped an item, right? It hasn't been fulfilled yet. So if we do a checkout now for the same barcode, right? So let's do that. I'm going to open a new page here, and let's do a checkout for my Koha user. And the checkout has happened. If we now come back and refresh the patron holds table, we can see it has no holds. And the reason it doesn't have any holds is because, again, the hold group has been satisfied, so all the other holds have been cancelled. And we now have a checkout. And this is it in a nutshell. It also works with the holds to pull and holds queue functionality, which means if the hold group already has a target, the remaining holds will not show up in your holds to pull or holds queue tools. So that's pretty handy. The other thing this development also does is the following. Let's take a quick look. So I'm gonna place another group, another holds group here. I'm gonna select all of these. I'm gonna place all of these to my Koha user again. I need to set up the pickup location for all of these. And now if we go back to our Koha user, we have 3 holds. Oh, but I forgot to group them together. No worries. I can just select all of them here, group them. There we go. It's grouped together. The other things that this development also did was it rearranged this table a bit. So you can now do actions to a selection of holds. Like you can suspend them, as you can see here, or you can cancel a selection of holds as well if you click here. So yeah, slightly improved this table here a bit. And the reason we had to do this is because we wanted to be able to pick some of these and then group them together. This notification here will show up if you are attempting to create a new group with holds that are already grouped. So you have this confirmation here, and if you say group, that's fine. So I just grouped the other two, these two together. The remaining hold was left alone in a group, so that group has been effectively deleted. So let's say you want to group all of these together again. You can do that if you want. There you go. One important thing to also remember is that if a hold is already a hold group target, it will not allow you to group that hold with another hold. That's it in a nutshell. That's the whole functionality. I hope you like it. I hope this is exciting, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.